Yahuah is not false. It was hidden. Let's get something straight. The name isn't new. It's the most ancient name in existence. Paleo-Hebrew spells it clearly. Yod, He, U, He. Yahuah. Yod is pronounced like Y, and when paired with an Ah vowel, it naturally becomes Yah, as in Yahuda or Yaakov. He is a soft H sound, and at the end of a word it often breathes out as Ah. Together you get Yah, just like the shortened form in Tehillim, Psalm 68:4. Sing praises to his name, Yah. There's no way to misinterpret this. In the original Hebrew, even preserved in the Paleo-Hebrew fragments, the word Yah appears explicitly. It's not hidden or implied. It's made up of Yod and He. No extra letters, no Masoretic twisting, just two characters, direct and unambiguous. It's the only time the shortened name appears in this exact standalone form in the Masoretic text, and it survived every edit, every tradition, and every concealment attempt, because they missed it. Now, the letter most people call Vav today was originally U. It wasn't pronounced with a V. Ancient Hebrew didn't even have a V sound. Here's the kicker. Arabic still uses the same letter today. It's called Wa, and when it functions as a vowel, it carries a soft U sound, as in Surah or Nur. That's a living Semitic language still preserving the ancient phonetics. No guesswork, no reconstruction, just proof. So combined, we get Yod and He to make Yah. U and He is Ah. So it's Yahuah. It's not Yahweh, not Yehovah, definitely not Jehovah. It's Yahuah. Early Hebrew names prove it. Yahu Natan, Jonathan, meaning Yahuah has given. Yahu Kanan, John, meaning Yahuah is gracious. Yirmiyahu, Jeremiah, meaning exalted by Yahuah. Matith Yahu, Matthew, meaning gift of Yahuah. The prefix or suffix Yahu is everywhere, not Yeho. Names today still carry it. Netanyahu, meaning given by Yahuah. Even Dawid proves it. His name was never David or David. That B sound came later from Ashkenazi dialects. The Masoretes altered the vowels. They inserted fake markers to make people say Adonai instead. Then they gave us hybrid names like Jehovah by mashing together the wrong parts. But the oldest witnesses don't lie. Clement of Alexandria wrote it as Yahuah. This was an outsider's attempt to capture the Hebrew name phonetically, using the Greek alphabet which had limitations. Origen said Yahuwah. Josephus wrote that the high priest wore a crown inscribed with 4 letters, the Tetragrammaton, once known to all, but later kept hidden by the priesthood. And the Dead Sea Scrolls? They preserve the name in Paleo-Hebrew even when the rest of the scrolls is in Aramaic or Greek, because the scribes knew, you don't erase the name. This isn't some modern invention. This is a recovery mission. Even the Talmud admits in Kiddushin 71a, before the 2nd century, the name was spoken aloud in the temple. It only became forbidden because of man-made fear, not because of Yahuwah's command. Scripture says the name is eternal. This is my name forever, and this is my remembrance to all generations. Shemoth, Exodus 3:15. Sing praises to Yahuwah. Declare his name. Tehillim, Psalm 68:4. That's not Lord. That's the real name, and it's still there in the Hebrew. The word says, "For then I will restore to the peoples a clean lip, so that all of them may call on the name of Yahuwah to serve him with one accord." Zephaniah 3:9. He's restoring it now. Even Hebrew grammar proves it. Hebrew favors open syllables, consonant plus vowel. That means Yahu flows naturally into ah, not ve, not we, not va. That glide from you to ah is built into the language, and the son's name confirms it. His name is Yahusha, which means Yahuah saves, not the Lord saves, not God saves, Yahuah saves. The Father's name is built right into the Son's, not just in meaning, in letters, in order, in sound. Yod, He, U for Yahu, the same first three letters of the Father's name. Then Shin and Ayin for Shah, meaning to save or deliver. It's not a guess, it's a declaration. Yahuah is the one doing the saving. The Tetragrammaton YHWH appears 6,828 times in the Tanakh. Instead of translating it, they replaced it with Lord. That's not translation, that's concealment. This is the ineffable name doctrine, a tradition that claimed the name was too holy to say, so they buried it, and taught generations to forget it. But Yahuwah prophesied it would be forgotten. They have caused my people to forget my name, as their fathers forgot my name for Baal. Yirmiyahu, Jeremiah 23:27. It is the esteem of Elohim to hide a matter, but the esteem of sovereigns is to search it out. Mishle, Proverbs 25:2. So here we are. They didn't argue over the name. They erased it. But the breath of the name was never a V. It's not Jehovah. It's not Yahweh. It's Yahuwah. There's no discussion. His name is revealed. You can't deny what's always been true. Not invented, not new, and not up for debate. Yahuwah. He is, he was, and he will always be. Declare it.